Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to animate emojis in Figma. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the text tool over here and click on the screen. Then I'll press Windows and dot on my keyboard. Then I'm going to get list of emojis as a pop-up. Here I'm going to select the smiling symbol, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom in into it. I'll press Control in Figma and I'm going to zoom in. Then what I'm going to create is I'm going to duplicate this smiling reactions. Let me create a few. Here I've created 5 of them, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to stack each of them on top of the first one. Okay, wait till you see the end result. Let me do that. Yeah, as you can see, I'm stacking these smiley reactions on top of one another. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a frame. As you can see, I'm creating a long vertical frame. After this is inside a frame, right? I'll just extend it a little. Okay, and then I'm going to duplicate this frame into another frame. Next, in this frame, see, look closely what I'm going to do here. In this frame, what I'm going to do is the smiley reactions which I have stacked on one top of another, right? I'm going to bring them a little outside. See, here you can see I'm bringing them outside. You can place it however you want, right? Inside the frame, however you want, you can place it accordingly. Then you can see that they have been placed. Let me bring them a little down. Yeah, so these are the smiley reactions which were stacked on top of another, and now I have kept them vertically on top of the main one. And here what I'm going to do is I'm going to select each one and set its opacity to 0. You can press 0 on your keypad. So this is what I have done. I have set the opacity to 0. Next, we'll go to the prototype tab and we'll select the first frame and drag this handle, and here we are going to choose Smart Animate, and I'll keep it as ease out, and I'll increase the time by 1000 milliseconds, wherein you can see the slowly you can see the animation very clearly. Next, I'm going to select the second frame and select the first frame, and I'll keep the same parameters over here. Next, let's go to the prototype tab and let's see the animation. It will take a while to load, so let's wait. Okay, I'll just press Ctrl Z to increase it, and now if I click on this one, you can see that, right? You can see, I'll just do that again. You can see that it is getting animated. So this is how you can animate the smiley reactions in Figma. Follow for more such content.